Hi everyone, so in this particular video I'm going to be talking about the Cbex trading platform and actually the bonus that was just dragged out overnight and currently at this particular moment and the things we need to put into consideration right here. So howdy, welcome back to my channel, and you can actually see that this particular update actually came up about I think midnight till this morning. Many people actually going to be receiving that this morning by the time they're trying to on up their hosting right here. And last week, they actually talked about something like this, that they're going to be driving out some bonuses to users, and every user can actually benefit from that if you have about $300 upward right here. So I think that was actually came up, and many people actually get to benefit from that also right here. So this is another one that is actually out right here, and this one is currently huge. Like, I have to say, this is huge. The payment is actually huge right here because many people are actually receiving $100, $50 upward kind of. So let me know the amount you actually receive at the comment section of this particular video, and what do you think about this particular stuff. So I have a Telegram channel at the description of this particular video where people are actually talking already. We actually talk about in a group, and people are actually already talking about this particular platform or what is actually going on. So I've been making video about this particular platform, and I've been making video on how to make money online. So this is not an investment advice, rather it is for information and entertainment purpose only. Because I'm making money from the platform doesn't mean you make more, and you can also make more than I do. So make sure you try to get your own information and invest wisely right here. So this is what is actually going on in this particular platform. The bonus is actually from the Asia. They said they are actually opening a new market at Asia, and this is actually giving out to the community. So they want to, this is just like in cryptocurrency, we have something they call the liquidation. No, I said liquidation. The market cap locked, the liquidity rather. So the liquidity is actually for there to actually build up the coin, just like airdrop, the way they do mining. They actually gather up some liquidity for the platform to be strong. So this is looking as if this is what Cbex is currently trying to do, but this is actually not like 100% solid because we actually did not get the 100% information about this. And the also thing that is actually getting phishing about it is actually the process that you can currently not withdraw right here, because it is said that many people actually withdraw about yesterday before the project, before the bonus actually dropped out, is actually going to be on pending through from what I actually read from the Telegram account right here. So if you actually have additional information you want people to know about, please go straight to the comment section and drop the information right here. We have a lot of people that need information. That is why I'm always here to actually give you update immediately I see something that is actually rolling up in the internet right now. So I love you all guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Do well to invest wisely and stay safe always.